The Oral-B IO Series 7 is renowned for its powerful yet gentle cleaning capability, using micro vibrations and a uniquely designed round brush head to achieve a superior clean compared to manual toothbrushes. This advanced electric toothbrush excels in plaque removal, promising to make teeth 100% cleaner and gums twice as healthy in just 1 week. The smart brushing experience is enhanced with a display that allows users to select cleaning modes, track brushing time, monitor battery levels, and know when to replace the brush head. With its integration with the Oral-B app, the toothbrush ensures comprehensive coverage by tracking brushing patterns in real time, so no area is missed. The IO Series 7 also features a pressure sensor that alerts users if they are brushing too hard or too softly, providing a safe and effective cleaning experience. For those who need a versatile and convenient option, the toothbrush offers 5 personalized cleaning settings and comes with a fast-charging travel case for on-the-go use.